Introducing the eelo lightweight folding electric bike, the ultimate companion for motorhome and campervan adventurers, designed to enhance your journey and expand your horizons. Traveling in a motorhome is all about freedom, but getting to local attractions or exploring nature can be tricky without the right transportation. The eelo electric bike is your perfect travel companion. With its powerful electric assistance, you can effortlessly go farther and see more without needing to pack up your motorhome. From charming nearby towns to hidden trails waiting to be discovered, the eelo electric bike lets you explore with ease and enjoy every adventure to the fullest. Space is precious in a motorhome, so every item needs to earn its keep. That's where the eelo electric bike shines. Its clever folding design makes it compact and easy to store, fitting effortlessly into even the smallest spaces. Say goodbye to bulky equipment taking up valuable room with the eelo bike. You get the freedom to explore without the clutter. Traveling by motorhome is a sustainable way to explore, and the eelo electric bike makes it even greener. Powered by electricity, it helps you lower your carbon footprint while giving you the freedom to travel farther with ease. Its electric assist takes the effort out of conquering hills and extending your rides, making it perfect for adventurers of all fitness levels. Plus, it's a smart, cost-effective choice, saving you money on fuel and parking as you embark on your eco-friendly adventures. Traditional bikes can be bulky and inconvenient, eating up valuable storage space in your motorhome and often involving a complicated setup. The eelo electric bike offers a smarter solution. With its easy-to-fold, compact design, it's ideal for motorhome owners looking to maximize their space. Say goodbye to cumbersome equipment and hello to simple, efficient storage, giving you more freedom to enjoy the open road. Don't just take our word for it, hear from other motorhome owners who've integrated the eelo electric bike into their travels. From navigating through towns to accessing remote scenic spots, the eelo bike has transformed their travels. It offers unmatched flexibility, convenience, and the freedom to explore new destinations with ease, making every journey unforgettable. Elevate your motorhome adventures with the eelo folding electric bike. Enjoy the freedom to explore further, a space-saving design that fits seamlessly into your lifestyle, and eco-friendly features that minimize your travel footprint. Wherever your motorhome takes you, the eelo bike makes every journey limitless, sustainable, and unforgettable.